What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a single family property in the north side of Akron. The north side is one of our favorite parts in Akron. Just waiting for my partner to arrive. But I just let you guys take a peek on what I'm up to this Sunday afternoon. Small house, but it's in good shape. Roof is in good condition. Nice deep lot. So yeah, guys, just wanted to kind of bring you on to let you know what I'm up to. I work with the network of investors, and we are looking to buy houses in the Akron area and Canton area, anywhere in the Stark and Summit County areas. We're looking for single family homes. We buy in as-is condition, we pay cash, and we close quickly. We don't charge any real estate commission fees. So if that's something you might be interested in, definitely reach out to me, send me a private message, or you can visit our website, www.investparamount.com, where you can contact me directly, 330-685-2220. Talk to you later.